And I used to live for the weekends. Guys, I used to live for that shit. Every Friday I would get drunk, high on drugs. Sometimes not even sleep for days. But mostly I would sleep all Saturday. And Sunday I would feel guilty. But I kept telling myself, Monday I will start again. Monday, that's where I begin. And every Monday came, and I felt I got further and further behind. Nothing ever changed. I was still broke. I was stuck in that basement apartment for years, and I had zero confidence because I kept losing. Every weekend I kept losing over and over and over again. I looked like shit. I felt like shit. I was a fucking loser. Until I decided to flip the switch. I took my bad habits and replaced them with good habits. With workouts, with meal prep, with rituals and the warpath. And I used the weekends to get ahead and to lock in because I didn't have to work 10 hours a day as a plumber, right? I used it to do some work in the weekends as a plumber, or I also cleaned other people's houses to afford mentorship, right? That was what I was willing to do. I was willing to sell all of my shit I had. The Gucci belts, the fancy shoes, to try to impress people that I didn't even like, that was losers, that used all of their money on drinks and coke and fucking fancy designer belts, and they were broke as a joke. So I sold all of that shit, and I replaced it with mentorship, brotherhood, rituals, and warpath. And now when everybody else disappears on weekends, I double down. And that's why I fucking win. So if you want to join the brotherhood, then come in brotherhood. And I send you an invite and the laws that changed my life. Whatever it takes.